one of the challenges that we see is that AI can be applied to so many different functions within an organization that sometimes it's hard to just prioritize. Where do we start? How do we go about getting this thing to help us address some of the most important parts of our business? So just to give you a few examples of where this technology is being used today. So in the area of services, for instance, we see the chatbots that are able to provide customer service and able to make personalized recommendations based on the knowledge that the company has of customers, able to solve problems by having access to knowledge base and just talking customers through, problem resolution. We see it in manufacturing. So we're used to seeing robots in a manufacturing environment, and I think we're going to see more and more automation to the point where we can have autonomous or semi-autonomous manufacturing capabilities with few or no human intervention. So, just the ability for us to use sensors and image processing to detect defects and when things break down in a factory, those things are becoming more and more automated. On the supply chain side of things, we're seeing robotics being used for packaging. We're seeing robotics being used in warehousing, for delivery. We see the advent of autonomous vehicles that could be a game changer for how goods are delivered. In sales and marketing, we see things like ChatGPT that can help us create content and be more creative with that content. AI can help us also personalize that content to our customers. So the ability for us to engage customers in a sales and marketing environment is another one that I see. There are several examples. So AI is something that can be used in multiple functions within an organization. And I think the challenge is for the organizations to really sit down and think about, where can I get the most bang for the buck? Where can I start getting my hands dirty, learning how this technology works, and getting some initial experimentation going, and maybe even drive some pilots with some customers.